Had a mysterious noise. This is just, it's dark out, I know, but hey, the noise is going on. And I had this little timer. This is a tankless water heater right here. So what was happening, obviously you have like that vent sound that it makes when the water heater is doing its thing and heating up the air, or heating up the water. That's like the tankless water heater part, I guess you can call it. But the problem I was having was there was no water at my house and electricity was still on, and this little green timer thing was down here just cranking out a noise. I unplugged it because I didn't have the water on. I just got the water back on and now there's no noise. The quick fix for this is when you have no water running through this timer thing on your tankless water heater. The reason why I'm shooting this is because this is post-hurricane. Lots of garbage happened. This water heater will make an extremely loud noise and it will run 24/7. You need to act fast on this because you don't want to burn out that little motor thing down there, this timer. This thing costs a lot of money. It's like, I want to say it's like $1,000 online, 1,500 bucks, but it's not cheap. But the thing is, it's solid. It's made of basically all metal, no plastic. But I mean, you don't want to blow that out. That's the little timer thing you have. You don't want to burn that out. Make sure you're running water through this. And your tankless water heater, it is going to make noise when it's heating up the water. That's normal. But if it's running 24/7, you definitely have a problem. But anyways, just wanted to shoot this video. If you guys are having a super loud noise, the fix for that, the little timer thing right there, is just making sure water is running through the thing. Now, you can listen to it. You can hear like a little ticking sound. That just means the timer's working. When that ticking sound stops, that's when you need to replace it. But those usually last like 20, 25 years. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.